The ancient town of Dali has a lot of history and it brings in tourists from all over the world. The town is laid out in a square-shaped structure on a north-south, east-west axis. It is surrounded by 4 walls and 4 main city gates. Dali Ancient City is small enough to explore on foot, and it's even more fun to ride around on bike. Some famous streets to explore include the Foreigner or Western Street, Fuxing Road, and Renmin Road. On this street, you can find clothing, daily goods, and souvenirs. The Foreigner or Westerner Street is lined with souvenir shops, restaurants, bars, and cafes. Renmin Road, like the Foreigner Street, is also filled with bars, hotels, hostels, and restaurants. You can find Chinese street food, traditional Chinese restaurants, and Western food on these streets. You can enjoy drinking local Chinese beer, watching live acoustic performances, and eating delicious food every night. Dali Ancient Town has everything you need inside those 4 walls. There are even grocery stores for you to bring back to your hotel or hostel. Tianlong Baobu Film Studio is located outside of Dali Ancient Town, and it's about a 20-minute walk. It sits next to the famous Changshan Mountain Cable Car entrance, so you can't miss it. The film studio was originally built to shoot the famous TV drama Tianlong Baobu. Now, tourists can visit this beautiful scenic spot. Even though it has no historical value, you can still feel like you are in ancient China. Tianlong Baobu Film Studio is located in a beautiful scenic area with the Changshan Mountains in the background. It also overlooks the beautiful blue water of Erhai Lake. There are many ancient buildings, streets, shops, and a variety of live performances to see. Now mainly a tourist attraction, it provides interesting backdrops for photo taking and video shooting. Dali is by far one of my top places to visit in China. A week here can fly by so fast and only seem like a few days.